It's always great news when you get an offer from the underlying insurance company, the person at fault for the accident, and that offer is their policy limits. But what you need to understand is, before you accept those policy limits, you need to make sure that you put your own insurance carrier on notice that you've received a policy limits offer. Let me give you an example. Say you get in a car accident and the person that hits you has $30,000 in insurance, the minimum policy that you can carry in Maryland. And say that insurance company comes to you after reviewing your medical bills, your records, and all the other things that you submit to them and says, we're going to pay you the policy limits of $30,000. Well, that's great. That's amazing news. Say at the same time you have an underinsured motorist policy that covers $100,000. In that scenario, you'd still have $70,000 that you could seek from your own insurance company. But in order for you to even go after your own insurance company to get that additional monies, you need to make sure that you put them on notice of the policy limits offer from the at-fault party. So, if you get a policy limits offer of $30,000 and you say have $100,000 in underinsured coverage, you need to put your insurance company on notice. How do you do that? You have to send them a certified letter along with the release and correspondence from whatever insurance company is saying that they've offered you the policy limits. Your insurance company then has 60 days to decide whether or not they're going to pay you the $30,000 or if you can accept the $30,000 from the at-fault party. If they don't respond within the 60 days, then you can accept the money. However, if the insurance company says they're going to pay you the $30,000, then they have 30 days to pay you that money. And if they don't do it, then you can go back to the at-fault party and accept the $30,000 and still be protected for going after the additional monies that could be owed to you under your underinsured motorist policy. It's quite simple, but a little bit complicated, and if you don't follow those rules, you could be precluded from recovering under your underinsured motorist coverage. If you've been in a serious car accident, consider calling my office to discuss your case.